Okay, I
What is
just
the topic?
yeah, I was also about
No,
to ask. Yeah, what should be the minimum wages for,
For the
isn't it?
yes, minimum wages for all the countries should be same or not.
Sir,
It
can
should
I?
be same or not. Okay, yeah. Okay, any other one wants to start can start.
No, I just want to ask that whether we are talking about the whole of the world or only about the India.
I
no,
think
all
we are
about the
talking
world,
of
no?
whole of the world, not only India.
Okay.
Okay. Shekhar bhai, if you want to start, then you can start.
No, I just
No,
want
no,
to ask
he's
the.
asking. He's asking about
Okay.
in
Without
India.
wasting time, I'm just starting.
Okay.
Okay, hello everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Neha Verma, and I'm gonna start topic of the day, that is should wages be same for each and every country or not? According to me, if we have wages, most of the people they have to or there's the wages,
Not
right?
audible.
So
Not audible.
not audible.
Yes. Your voice is breaking.
Breaking. Okay. Anyone else if wanna start, they can. I'm just looking at my connection.
Okay.
Okay, Shekhar bhai.
So look,
Yes, Shekhar bhai.
yes, as the topic is the minimum wages should be same for all of the country. So look, in practical aspect, it cannot be possible. Like if like the difference between the currency of India and Nepal is 6 times something like that, and the difference between the currency of India and America is around more than 70 times difference. One of my brother is in Sweden, so the difference of currency is around 10, more than 10 times. So I'm saying that when the need is different, when the need is different of the people, so when the value of currency is different in different countries. So it's really for me it's really unpracticable to even think about that the minimum wages should be same. Like in America, the people who don't have car, the people who don't have car is poor. But in India, it cannot be the case. In India, mm, our our poverty the benchmark of our poverty line is that if you have a meal, then you are not poor. So I am so it cannot be, it cannot possible for us to think about that scenario, because look, the one more thing I just want to say is that the need of the people is different. Like the need of a person who are living in America and the need of the person who is living in India is different, because the needs are defined by the society in which we live. Like if one person is living in a society where all of the person have car or have different accessories, and they are using it, and one person is not using that, so he might be of the thinking that he must have that thing, or we must that have that thing. But if a person who is who are not getting the meal of 3 times, his his worry can only be that the how he can earn so that he can feed. So minimum wages are the thing that we use to describe that it at least fulfill the basic needs of the society. So when the basic needs is different, the value of the currency is different. So for me, according to me, it's very really unpracticable to even think that the minimum wages can be same.
Okay, thank you, Shekhar
Yeah.
bhai. I totally agree with your point, whatever you have mentioned. This is not possible to be wages should be same for all country, because the environment, the culture, the living standards is very much different within the country. You have also taken example of Nepal. Also, you can take example of USA also. But what I think, there should be a standard parameter and that is related to the currency something like that, because if you are talking about India, so we know how much difference between dollar and rupees. So there should be a standard parameter, and that parameter wages should be decided according to their living
Yes.
standard, their infrastructure, what they are providing, how they are getting helping from the government authorities. Because if we are going to compare from the USA and India, there are a lot of difference, because they provide many facility to their laborer and their employee, their citizen. But in India, that is not available. That's why also, very much differences in wages. And USA, basically they work on the basis of hour,
Look.
because every doctor
Yes.
have some parameter. Yes, I am going to charge how much money for 1 hour. But India, this is basically week base, you can say, or 8 hours, you can say. So this is
Like
also,
I just want to.
yes.
Yeah. Yes, I just want to say one thing, that what really can be happen, or really if we can do, then one thing can happen, that we can make the basket of things in this. We can compare the basket of things, like a person living in India who must have that much minimum wages, so that if they can eat food, they can have food, they can have a good shelter to live in, they have education facility, and health facility and different necessities, so much they must have. And we have to talk about the Nepal, the same thing, the same basket of food as per their requirement must be there, so that they can live happily. So that thing can be happen, but the prices will be different because of the difference of the value of the currency and the purchasing power of the currency. So that one thing can be happen, that the purchasing basket, the basket of the goods can be the same for all of the world. It can be happen. It might also be difficult, but it can might be
Shekhar
happen.
bhai, what I am saying,
Yeah,
I am talking about value of currency. And
yeah,
according to value of currency, the standard parameters should be decided. If we are talking about USA, so we know the value of dollar is much higher than the rupee. So the parameters should be decided according to that. Suppose in India, uh, I can live one day in 100 rupees. So that should be in standard parameter. In USA, if you're talking about $10 required for living one day, so that should be $10 as per as Nepal also. So I am talking about that standard parameter, and that should be applicable in everywhere. You have to give 60% of your currency value. Suppose 100 is a minimum requirement, so India is going to also give 60%, USA is also going to give 60%. So that should be a standard parameter. I am talking about that, and that is going to relate with the infrastructure, environment, living standard of that particular company. Because the standard, the living standard of India is very much different from the USA and Nepal. And suppose I am going to fix 50 rupees, so that is not going to work, because 50 rupees in India, that is good. In Nepal, maybe that can be higher, but in USA that can be very lower. So we have to decide a wages according to the value of currency, not can be same. There should be not a same. There
Yes,
should be not, yes, yes, Alice.
actually, I think the value of currency is not only a single factor, because see, I think that wages should be unequal even in India itself. I want to say that, like, suppose an example that I am giving 100 rupee note to anyone to spend 1 or 2 days in a metropolitan city like Mumbai, and same I am doing to spend 1 or 2 days in a very small village to live. So we can see that any person who is living in village, he has very less requirement, and there might be some cheap availability resources also. So just like I can say electricity cheap in villages, so he can easily survive with 100 rupees for 2 days in village in India. And it would be difficult to survive in metropolitan city like Mumbai. And I'm just taking this example only of India. So I can say that in India also, not only the currency, it also depends that what is the environment, in which environment you are living. This also matters, like village or city or higher cities.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Amit
But
bhai.
actually, what I feel that
Actually,
yes, yes,
yeah. No, no.
yes, yes.
Go on, sir. Go on. Go on.
No, no. Actually, what I feel it's the obviously it depends upon the currency also. But most important thing is that the labor law also, because based upon that the labor law, that the salary or the structure will be the different. Okay, let me give one example of Germany. So in Germany, who are the most more richer. Okay, there in Germany, there are the farmer are more richer as compared to the other field. Like even you can compare the IT field. Okay, farmers are coming in the Mercedes and they are buying the vegetables or okay, but they are coming in the Mercedes. Okay, but whereas in India, the 70% population lives in a village. Okay, and what is the condition of our farmer? Okay, so you just differentiate it, and then I don't think so. It would be a possible to have the same wages what we are talking about, because here if we compare, so it's ultimately depending upon the that labor law. The labor law is very important. If it is a equal means based on means what we are going to do means every country will have the different labor law. Just I had given an example of the Germany. Okay, and there suppose if you are working with that particular means if you are in Germany, so no one will be the directly remove you, or no one will tell you to quit your job. It's very difficult for any organization. But in India, suppose if your performance is not good, so they will send you that your the termination letter also. So this is the base. So see, so all this things depends upon the law, and even development and the other factors are there also. But ultimately how means that particular nation is going to develop it, and how they have organized the way means see now, just I have given an example, the farmer of India and the farmer of Germany. So they that whatever the gap is there, that we have to fulfill it, not we have to fill entire word, we'll have to fill. Okay, okay, because based on they are differentiating in such a way. Now so suppose if you go to that the UK, so the value of a currency is higher. Then if US, there is also the value of currency is higher, but the value of India, so I already the Pradeep bro has given an example also. So we'll have to, so we cannot say that the wages, it would be the remain same.
Amit bhai, I am talking about
Yeah,
ratio.
that's it.
I
Yeah.
am not talking about a fixed amount, because every day
Mhm.
rupee or dollar is just increasing or decreasing. So I am talking about ratio. Okay, suppose there is a standard parameter is 100 rupee, so every country have to give 60% of that.
Mhm.
So suppose I am talking about in
Mhm.
India 300 rupee, maybe that 300 rupee can be in USA as like $50, and in Nepal that can be 500,
Mhm.
according to their currency, according to their
Mhm.
value. Okay, how much required to be living in a very good condition. Because if India you are talking, someone is saying that if you are earning 35 rupees per day means you are not poor. So that is not going to work, because what we know, okay, at least we require a minimum amount to live in India, and that should be fixed in all over India, whether that labor is working in a village or that labor is working in metro city. Because suppose I have India government has declared 500 rupee, maybe the laborer who are working in a village, they can save more money compared to metro city, but at least they can survive. There should be a standard parameter, and that should be applicable in all over India. So there should be no a standard rule can be applicable.
Mhm.
Maybe this is possible, as Sailesh Bhai mentioned, that if you are working in a village, so you require less money, But if you are working in a metropolitan city, you require more money to survive because the cost of item is much higher compared to any village, and the living cost of any metro city is much higher than the village. So, but in definitely, if you are working in a small city in a village, at least you can save money. Maybe in city that can be less, but whatever money if you are going to get in city, it will be always less because everybody have more desire. Suppose I am earning 1 lakh per
No,
month,
no.
my desire is I can get 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh. So this is not going to be end, but I think there should be a minimum. Okay, Amit bhai, you can continue.
No, no. I want to highlight the only one point, that is that I already given an example of a farmer. Okay. So see, if you're talking about the parameters, right? But you just think about the farmer. So in India, the farmer, how they are living, right? And you just compare the farmer of any other country. So you will see they have the different the equipment of farming, right? Okay. And the population also, population, I told you that the 70% of the population of India lives in the villages. Okay. So, and I what I feel that if you compare that, the because other countries, I don't think so there would be some such a villages where we are having in India. That can be, so here it is going to differentiate it, and then the count or that value is going to change, that parameter you are talking about now. Because you see, if it is the same, then the value would be remain same, na? Because if India, the farmer having a well equipment, farmer related equipment, and then producing the same money as how other employee generating or is earning, you not generating, you can say it is earning. Suppose for example, taken any the lecturer, okay, he is earning that particular amount, but whereas farmer is not able to earning that much of amount. So if this ratio would be equal, then I think so the living of a standard would be a remain same. There will be not any change there. Hope everyone got my point now.
No. Got your point. Sekar bhai.
Suppose
Yes, yes, Amit bhai.
my question is that
Yes,
if
I am.
our farmer is able to earn that much of money. For example, one farmer is earning the 5 lakh or 10 lakh per year. Then obviously there will be no issues, no? Then the infrastructure would be the same, everything would be the same. The value we are comparing, Shailesh was comparing, if you are living in a village, so you will cost less, it would less cost. But whereas if you are living in the city, so you'll have to give the lot of money. But if the farmer is living in that particular, that location is very good, okay, so then there will be no comparison.
So Amit bhai, what do you think? What should be minimum wages for the daily worker or daily laborer who are not working in office, who are working in a just moving
So
around the city, or they are selling something, or they are
Mhm.
helping to building the block and the home houses. Then what you should, because I think in every state this is
Mhm.
going to vary, because I am living in Rajasthan, so they are taking 500 per day, and in UP they are taking 400. Then what should be minimum amount?
For me, it's very difficult to comment on this one.
Okay, Sekhar bhai and Bala bhai, Ganesh, what do you think?
For me, it also hard to comment because uh, I I didn't even think on that way in that manner. So I can't say something on it. That's why I'm quiet.
No, at least because you spoke very well on this topic and also you compare,
Huh.
then at least you should have some idea. Ki, yes, this is good money in India. I am not asking about
Look,
USA and
in
Nepal.
India, okay, in India, we can have the minimum wages same for all of the country. it's not much different. Like this, what the Silas was saying about the purchasing power of the money, but it's not have much difference. So that I can say that in India we can have minimum wages for the same, but there is a contradiction in what I'm saying and what the government is saying, that for the for the
Lekha
family
bhai,
who are living.
actually, we are not going to send this, discussion to government. So please don't worry about
No, no.
government. Please tell your
I
view.
am no, I am not worrying about the government. I am saying that what we people, like what I am saying, that there is the same wages for all over the India. But I am saying that there is a data of the government that shows that the people who live in villages needs more calories, but they can have that more calories in less money. But city people required less calorie, but they required more money. So if we go according to that, so we have in different regions, like in cities or in villages or at different places, should have different wages. But it's not but the difference is not very huge. So I can say that in all over India we can have some minimum wages thing. If I am correct, here, then according to industrial act, there is a minimum wage concept also in there, so that the no workers get what the minimum amount is specified by the government. But I am not 100% sure about here, so I am can't say more too much about it.
Okay, so Bala bhai,
Sir,
yes,
yes, sir. Audible, sir.
yes.
I am telling only about Tamil Nadu. In Chennai and Coimbatore, that is a metropolitan city. They there are cost of living is very high. Other districts, because uh, every house rent is minimum in metropolitan cities minimum 7,000 to 15,000, sir. But more people getting very less salary. So if anyone want to live in metropolitan city, high level society in the city area, they will earn per month minimum 35,000, sir. I telling about only couples only. Uh, Only one couple. They will pay rent or 10,000. Then they want to take food in hotel. One dosa 75 rupees. Two idli 50 rupees in high hotels, sir. But in Tamil Nadu government, they are making more hotels in Amma hotels. There is a only 5 rupees for 5 idlis, 5 rupees for curd rice, 5 rupees for dal rice, like that. So if there is any labor want to eat in their less money, they went to government hotel. Not in everywhere, some metropolitan and like in my places are more hotels in there. So labor are going to take that particular only. But those who are working in high level people, they are go to only A class hotel. So in Tamil Nadu, metropolitan citizen, a couple want money minimum 35 rupees, 35,000 per month. Otherwise, they cannot survive the society. At the same time, in rural area, there are many rural area. There are farmers only. There is no rent minimum 3,000 below. We can get more big area, big houses. We can get that place. That is enough. But I am living in city corporation limited. Now I paying rent in 7,500 rupees. monthly, 1.5 monthly, I paid a bill, EB bill, 1040 rupees. I have only 4 members. When I purchasing grocery item with 4 members, 4,000. Then I pay milk 2,000. So if I cannot get salary uh, uh, minimum 35,000, we cannot survive in the city area. So that's all from my side, sir.
I think Balabhai, you covered very good point by taking example of
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Ki how I know
Yes,
this
sir.
is happening with everyone. You can take example of Amit
Yes,
Bhai,
yes, sir.
even myself also I am paying so much rent and also price of meal about grocery and whatever we are earning, actually we have no idea ki how we spend. Because Amit Bhai, when I sit at a place and just calculate my salary, yes, I am going to spend this amount to this amount to this. And no, after 5 days, what I got, there is no amount in my account. Then always I
Yes, sir.
think
If
Yes,
there
yes.
is any
I
emergency,
am not doing any
if there is any
wrong work.
emergency medical,
I am not doing any
medical,
wrong work. Also, I am not taking any alcohol, not spending money in some
mm,
rubbish thing. Then how I am spending so much
yes, sir.
money? I don't know why. Because every time I sit, when I got my salary, firstly I calculate, yes, I have to spend this amount to this amount to this amount to this. After 3 days, I have no amount. But I don't know. I think this is because the cost of living is so much high, and also no, the rate of grocery item is becoming higher per day, and also so these are some issue. So I think there is no any definition we can
Mm.
decide that this should be standard. But I think this is also depend upon the ability of person. If someone is working as a software engineer, definitely their salary should be very much different who are working as a laborer. So by the
Yes,
position
sir.
also it's vary.
Sir,
Yes.
yes, yes, sir. Every year I got 1,500 or 2,500 in increasing salary. But at the same time, all things are increased by the selling people. So we cannot survive without money. We cannot survive in city areas, sir. And if any emergency or any functions, we should pay money. So with 4 members family, will get only below 50,000. They can survive. Otherwise, we cannot give good education to our children. That is very important. One children's when we are going to uh, join in CBSE school, we must pay in minimum. I tell about only first standard. They are getting only 75,000. Uh, I cannot this. So if there is a 2 persons, they will not in monthly they will get only 1 lakh. Otherwise, but government school also performance very well. I am not telling it's not, but I want to I whenever I take a risk so I don't want take any risk in my children. So he will become a good in society. So I want to join in CBSE school and he will become a good position in future. So I want to join in CBSE school. But that time when you are joining that place, but continue, it's then going to next class, it will rise in cost. That's all, sir.
Okay, Amit bhai.
Yes, yes. See, whatever the Balabai said, it's absolutely correct. Okay, actually, you almost differentiate it. But see, you need to concentrate on the my point. What I told you that means the 70% of the population is living in a village. Okay, and only the 30%. Okay, but again, in a 30%, the people, right? You'll have to find out that in 30%, I what I feel that only the 5% or only the 10%, they are earning a good, okay, but even in the metropolitan cities or any cities, okay, the 20% are the middle class family. Okay, so I hope that you understand what I'm how I'm going to the distinguish. Okay, so
Yes.
10%, the 10% they are earning a lot. Okay, then remaining 20% they are the middle class families. Okay, they are means half up, you can say, and then rest of the people who are living in the villages. Okay, so here is that gap. Okay, and that's why we cannot the compare it the parameters of the wages now.
And actually, I just want to say one thing is that wages is different and salary is different.
Yes, Shekhar bhai.
Like
Yes.
what Amit
Yes,
sir you are
ultimately, but
getting,
see,
like what you
no,
are
no,
getting
but
Amit sir is totally
okay,
a salary. Yes, sir. Go on, sir.
no, no, you go on, because I am not expertise in
No,
this
I
particular the
no,
subject.
I am saying that the wages are different and the salary is different.
Oh,
Like I'm talking about the what's the practical, what's the practical thing, and how we live. What when we talk about the wages, what it influences about in law and different things. Like wages is for those who are directly indulged in the factory, involved in the factory or in the or in the manufacturing industries. Like wages are earning by those who are involved in the factory department, so that they can earn. Like it's about the laborer. Like wages are equated with the laborer class people. Okay, like we and the
mhm.
what's upper the like other staffs are getting uh, like the board members, like a person who is maintaining the machineries, and who are and different engineers and teachers. What they are getting is the salary. So actually wages are totally defined for for that category, for that category of people only. Like actually I'm not describing it properly, but you are getting my idea what I want to convey.
Yes,
Like
yes,
the
yes, I
daily
got it.
laborer
Mhm.
who are working who are working in the different construction sites, what they
Mhm.
are getting is wages. But a supervisor who are working in that who are working at that site only, he are not getting wages, he are getting salary. And salary is much hiked as compared to wages. And there is also that what the member or the committee or the board of directors earn is much more than what what an engineer and other supervisor and other staffs get their salary. So it's the thing that if I like when I heard the topics of wages, so I only think about those people who are poor and who are working in daily labor type. So that's why
Yes.
I quoted the example of daily necessities, something like that.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
got
we
it. I
call
got it.
them
Got it
daily
now. Okay,
wages.
but
Yes.
yes, but you see, but ultimately, the currency is important. What I feel that the currency is important, right? So based on the currency, the wages would be a defined then,
No, actually,
right? Because
actually, what happens that different currency have different value as well as different purchasing power. Yani ki that, like if you
yes,
compare about the dollar and rupees, then might he
mm,
have in market he has 70 or 75 times more than Indian currency. But if you are talking about the
mhm,
purchasing power of the dollar and the purchasing power of the Indian currency, then you will find that the
mm,
difference of only 20 times something around. Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
that's why I'm focusing of the stuff thing of the purchasing power. Like that's why I also said and earlier that we can define a minimum necessities basket. Like for a person to live, we must need these things. So and it can be also defined by according to different reason. Like what is the basic necessity of a person who is living in India is totally different from the basic necessity of person who is living in Nepal, or a person who is living in the Scandinavian countries. So it's also about the reason and different reasons. So what we can is do is to is to have to divide the world in different reasons, like they are like same reason have same necessities of life, like a person living in the cold countries have different necessities as compared to the person living in tropical countries like India. Like we can live without a cloth. Like we can live without a cloth, though it's not a good life, but we can live. But a person who is living in Serbia, they cannot even imagine. So for them, cloth is as much important as food. So we have to go
Yes,
think. We have to go according to the necessities, and we can define the necessity basket of particular reason. So it's very difficult to imagine common minimum wages. But what we can do is that we can divide it into a different region wise, like in all over the India except Ladakh or Himachal regions. We almost have we can define some of the wages, minimum wages, which are equal to all. Yes, there
Okay,
is a bit difference of the requirements, but we can, I think, might be I am wrong,
okay.
but
So
what I think I said.
okay, Sekhar bhai, actually now we have no time. And also Amit bhai, Bala bhai, and
Okay.
Sekhar bhai, just I'm requesting please try to send some topic to me for debate. So at least, we can discuss on those
yes, yes,
topics
yes.
also, because sometimes
We
I
will.
don't get any topic. That's why I have
We,
some, no, such like topic which
uh,
just get bored. So please try to send me some interesting topics so we can, discuss on those topics also.
Okay, sir.
yes, yes, yes. Yes,
So
good, good. It's
Thank you.
good idea. And
Okay.
from tomorrow,
yes, yes.
from
Thank you,
tomorrow
sir.
onwards, we will send some healthy and good
And like
informative also.
Yes, yes,
like
Sekhar.
yes, and
Yes,
yes,
yes.
I'm saying that we can also play some abstract idea. Like what has happened that I went for an discussion. So they talk about the hill. So right now, what you think about the hill, you have to say. Like one person said about the hill that
Uh,
that a woman wears, and one person to talk
hmm.
about the hill that the hill station or the hill of the hill station.
Okay,
So
okay.
so what is
Nice
that
idea.
it's a
This is
totally
nice
an
idea.
abstract idea, and it also gives a different point of view. Like
No, I think you
what do you
have
think?
given
Yes,
Like
the,
yes.
how you get?
Shekhar bhai, you have given the topic for this Sunday competition, because now I am planning for this type of competition.
Okay,
No, 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 no. No, no. Sunday competition. Define your city.
Okay, okay.
no,
What is good now? Right now, I'm living in Mumbai. I'm living in Mumbai, so I will describe the I'm living in the Maharashtra, and the capital of the Maharashtra is the Mumbai. So that's a good idea, na? For Sunday competition.
But I think we are not going to give this in advance, so maybe people can prepare. Now we
Uh-huh.
can give on the spot.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just
No,
define
no.
your teacher,
No,
define
no.
any city, define your city.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
that can be interesting. Suppose